was all about quantitative strategies, then you would not need sales organizations. If AI was only for quantitative strategies, then you would not see AI in any other function, such as marketing, sales, human resources, and others. An asset management firm is more than just its investment wing, and AI is more than just for the quant departments. Yet if Nabisco didn't make good cookies, then regardless of how well the support function performs, cookies would not sell. In other words, the investment function is at the heart of asset management, and that function must be realigned with the developments in the financial machine learning. The traditional statistical solutions are inefficient and ineffective to deal with the nature of problems, the data sets, the unstructured nature of data, the sparse high-dimensional data, and the rapidly changing investment environment. Top-down theory application can only go so far. A new way of doing things is needed. To listen to this book, you do not need to have a PhD in math or computer science or data science. If you have one, that will help you acquire the strategic business action plan for transforming an investment management firm. If you come from business, analytics, financial, or strategy sides, this book will introduce you to the fascinating world of AI. The point is that whether your starting point is mathematics, computer science, or data science, or your entry point is business, finance, or strategy, to be successful today, you need to learn how to create investment transformation. And the only way that transformation happens is when all parties, technologists, investment professionals, and business people, meet in the middle. That meeting point is known as the AI transformational space. This is the first book on the strategic perspective of artificial intelligence in investment management that gives you a comprehensive plan for AI-centric transformation. The goal of the book is to help you build a powerful firm by navigating through the complex and fascinating world of AI. To keep machine learning trapped in the quantitative investment department is dangerous. First, it assumes that machine learning is only applicable in trading-centric investment operations. It ignores the fact that machine learning is a pervasive technology that is being used and deployed in all areas of an asset management firm. Those areas include marketing, human resources, sales, compliance, corporate social responsibility, CSR, and many others. Second, it incorrectly assumes that people with PhDs in mathematics, computer science, or AI are the only ones interested in AI. This assumption is often based on the historical roots of machine learning, when it was viewed as the exclusive toolkit of quantitative investment in legacy firms. That exclusivity is no longer true. Third, this closed cult-style adherence is extremely dangerous, as it assumes that a firm's business model is static. It ignores the fact that fintech startups and tech firms are entering the legacy space and architecting their business models with AI, and that responding to such a powerful competitive threat requires a far more strategic approach to AI and finance than the one that comes with quantitative investment only. Fourth, to build a modern firm, you must approach AI as a strategic process that is embedded in the strategic DNA of the firm, and as an industrial-scale machine learning operation. To do that, you must have an enterprise-level approach and not just a quant-specific viewpoint. However, trivializing AI as some fictional, motivational, hyped-up, or management consulting buzz phenomenon is equally dangerous. That approach can win some near-term contracts, but generally leads to disappointment in the long run. Projects fail or fail to deliver the promised value. When robotic process automation, RPA, is sold as AI, and AI is sold as a point solution while ignoring the data, it hurts all parties. The reality is that the asset and investment management world is at the cusp of a major transformation. This transformation is not an ordinary evolution in the normal course of business. It is a revolutionary change that is creating never-seen-before opportunities and threats. It has unleashed an enormous force.